Welcome to Ace Achievers Dental Academy. The information bulletin we all had been waiting for is out now. It is very important to understand the instructions in the bulletin. That is why I specially made this video for you people. The reason is if you have a good rank, you can sometimes, go wrong in the counseling. So it is important to actually use your rank to its best potential. This is the information bulletin and you can directly download it from MCC site or it is also uploaded on our website as well. I'll quickly take you through. So we have this as a flow chart. They've confined all the information. It is a 59 pages bulletin, but the crux of everything is given in these three flow charts which we need to understand in detail. So without wasting any time, let's start with that. The first round, be very particular. There was one notice before this where we have put the dates of each round. If I talk about the first round, it's going to start today, which is 1st of July. It is going to continue till 7th of July that you can register. The result is expected by 10th of July. So as we go ahead in this, the first round you register, you should have money in your bank because you need to pay the registration fees at this step only. Thereafter, you need to fill the and log the choices. Once you do that, release the result on 10th of July. After 10th of July, it will be two things. Either you will not get a seat. If you don't get a seat, you have to participate in the further rounds. It's as simple as that. But the trick is, if you are selected, then there are two options. One is that the allotted institute is the one you wanted to join, and you go there and you report. So you report to the allotted institute, and then you can complete the formalities. Then, if you complete the formalities, if you're willing to upgrade, probably in the list, if you see something else which is better and you feel that it may be allotted to you, you can always put for upgradation. My suggestion is, if you like the seat which is allotted to you, you can just continue your PG in the same institute. But in case you feel that there is something better in the list before you must try to put for upgradation till the time MCC is permitted. So let's understand this section. An institute is allotted, you need to report even if you want to exit. You need to go there, report, and then take a free exit. If you want to continue in that college, you will continue. If you want to upgrade, you will upgrade, and then you can simply apply in the second counseling for further proceedings. Let us understand the second round. The second round will start on 22nd of July, and 22nd of July, the registration has to start. Make sure that you have this particular notice printed and pasted somewhere close to you. And as you start with the second round, the choices you filled in the first one are null and void. So you need to put the choices once again. Remember that. Don't think that the old choice filling is going to be continued here. You have to fill it once again. It is null and void what you filled in the first one. So there can be a lot of jumbling, a lot of possibilities are there. Then apart from that, the second round allotment, once allotment is done, you will proceed. If you do not get a seat, you can participate in the further counseling. So in the second round, if it is not an upgradation case and you are actually going to report in the new college and complete the admission formalities, there is one thing that you can go and complete the admission formalities. The other possibility is that if you do not report for this college, then the fee which is paid is fortified by the MCC. So now once the second round is over, we will enter into the third round. The third round is going to start on 12th of August. 12th of August, the registrations will begin. Please take care. I'm again repeating that we have to make sure that which day the registration is starting. Don't miss that. Don't call me 5 o'clock on the day when the registration is going to close. There is no way out. So please see, the third round we register again the same rule. The choices will be null and void. What we filled till round 2, we have to refill our choices. Once we refill that, so there are two possibilities again. After the choice filling, after the result release, either you do not get a college. If you do not get one, you can participate in the stray round. If you get a college, then there are multiple options. One is that the seat allotted and does not join. You do not like the seat which is given to you, then you can just not join it and the fee which we have paid will be fortified. Or you get a seat which you like and you go and join it. If upgraded, then candidate must relieve from the second round. Now, again the same rule as we did in the first round, that in the third round, if you get a better seat, you have to resign from your seat of second round. Or you are assigned a seat which you like, you just go and join there and start up. Once joined, you cannot upgrade or resign. So after the third round, MCC also wants to close the counseling. So we are towards the end of the closing of the counseling, otherwise everyone will keep upgrading only. So that is why they put a clause that you cannot upgrade and you cannot leave also. You cannot resign after it. Okay. Then later on, the stray round starts. Stray round is going to start in September. 2nd to 4th is the registration of the stray. In the stray round, if you get a good college, you can join and continue. But there is a very important clause in the stray round that if you get a college and you do not join it, then in that case, the fee will be fortified, and also you are barred from participating in the counseling for 1 year. So be very careful when you're filling your choices. You should not randomly just fill the choice to see what is happening. If you want to join, you fill that choice. If you do not want to join that particular college, be sure that you're not putting it in your. There is another important thing. Students ask me, ma'am, which college to put, where to put branch first or to put the college first. It is more important that if you like a particular branch, you put all the colleges for it. But if you're neutral for the branches, you put the good colleges first. But remember, the branch is going to stay with you throughout the life. The college will come and go. All the very best, and let's go ahead filling a registration for this counseling.